is the final day of our Dodgers Love LA community tour. We are at Jackie Robinson's alma mater, John Muir, and we are giving the school a facelift, planting some things, painting some things, putting some things together, talking to students about potential careers in professional baseball, and we're very excited to be here.
Bank of America has a culture of volunteerism. It's great when we come to places like this that are so meaningful for Dodger history, working together to make the school a better place. I'm really proud of what we did today. Go Dodgers!